All right, hello and welcome everyone. It's Doug here with the LinkedInList.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about setting up free momentum scans. Now, to me, scanning is one of the most important elements of your stock trading business if you really want to be successful or at least maximize your profit potential. You need to be in the right stocks to trade. Something like this AQXP that I have up here on the chart, a stock that has the potential or the ability to move 15 to 20% a day. And stocks like this you're not normally going to find through regular channels such as Wall Street journals or CNBC, Bloomberg, TV shows, etc. So it's really important as a trader to find the stocks that have the volume that can make these moves, and you can grow your account exponentially, right? That's what we're all in this business to do. Now, there's no question that purchasing a dedicated scanner with some of these outfits like Trade Ideas, eSignal, and some of the others, they'll definitely pay for themselves 10 times over. But many of those are going to run you anywhere from $100 a month to $300 a month, depending. So maybe you're one of those traders that's just starting out. Maybe your trading is inconsistent, and maybe you just don't have the money to spend on a dedicated scanner. So we're going to talk about where do you find hot momentum stocks and where can you do that for free, and you'll be very impressed and surprised to figure out or find out just how much you can actually accomplish with free trading software. Now, for this demonstration, what I'm going to show you is Thinkorswim. I use the Thinkorswim charting platform just for charts. I don't run any of my day trades through this, but I do like their charting and the way that it's laid out. So if you have Thinkorswim, I'm going to show you how you can find these stocks, and then we'll look at a couple of other free outlets as well. Now, if you have your Thinkorswim set up and it looks similar to this, if you just go up here where you have your watch list and you just kind of click right there, you go down, you'll see this top 10. This is a top 10 gainers list, and this is where you want to be. There's a lot of different criteria here, but you want to focus on the top gainers and the top losers of the day. Now, just about every brokerage software that you get, retail brokerage such as Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers, Scottrade, E-Trade, they're going to provide you with this as a base tool. And if you can't find it, I'll show you other places where you can. All you have to do is just click on this, and it will pull up a list of the top 10 gainers, percent gainers. You want the ones with the percent gains, not dollar gains. We're talking about percentage gain stocks. And you'll see there's AQXP right up there, as well as a few others. This will give you a very good base to start working with. Now, when you should scan for these is towards the end of the day, or allow yourself a good 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes at the end of the day to take a look at these stocks, because a lot of times a stock like an AQXP here that moves 20% in a day, it's going to provide multiple trading opportunities over the next 3 or 4 days. This is just most likely not going to be a one-time tradable event that you're looking at here right now. So this is something that can pay dividends for the remainder of the week and perhaps the remainder of the month. And this will help you build your watch list. Also, you want to take a look at these, which is more importantly to me is to look at them in the morning, in the pre-market. That way you're getting the fresh news, and you got the stocks that where you can catch an AXP on a very early move rather than after the move that's already happened. Now, these are not going to be something where you're going to be able to, when you're using these kind of tools, you're not going to be able to find a lot of those intraday explosive moves. But still, it gives you a very good benchmark, as I mentioned earlier, to get you started on a watch list and put you at least, expose you to the right kind of stocks to trade. Now, if you don't use Thinkorswim, you can find these stocks through a couple of different free websites. One happens to be FinViz right here, FINVIZ.com. You'll see they have a listing of all these as well. There's AQXP again, that's on the list, as well as a couple other names, and Yahoo Finance. We'll also have a list of these. Now, you don't want to just sit here and read all this news story, all these news stories on Yahoo Finance. But if you just look over here in the right toolbars or sidebars here, there's your top percentage gainers and losers. And again, you'll see AQXP right there. So it shows you, you can find really good stocks that will give you great earning potential without having to break the bank or spend the money for a scan. Now, of course, the benefit with a scanner is that a custom scanner like a Trade Ideas, which is what I use, allows you to build a scanner or scanning tools around the type of stocks that you trade. So that helps you find exactly what it is that you're looking for. But for a lot of new traders or those that are wondering, how do you find these hot stocks? Where do you find these big movers? A great free resource and a place to start is look at any brokerage account will give you some sort of top percentage gainers. That's what you want to be, top percentage gainers, top percentage losers. And if you can't find it with your brokerage account, FinViz or Yahoo Finance will provide those with you, and that'll give you a great start to start building a nice watch list. So anyway, I hope this video helped out. If you need any more help, feel free to visit thelincolnlist.com, see our blog. We have a lot of different training articles on there for stock traders, as well as different kind of scanning criteria that's available for other brokerages. So visit thelincolnlist.com. Till next time, thanks for watching this video. Take care. Talk to you soon.